Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox step by step. Okay, let's start it. First click on the more options and scroll down. Click on the help and safety. Click on the help. Scroll down, search voice chat. How do I turn on Roblox voice chat? Click on the voice chat option and scroll down. Was this article helpful? No. Need more help? Contact support here. Loading. Enter your username. First name, enter your email address, confirm email address. What device are you having the problem on? Device type, your device, select your device. My device, Android phone. Type of help, category, help category type. Scroll down. Technical support, help, subcategory type. Scroll down. Cannot visit, experience. Scroll down. Please describe your issue. Tap on the box. Past. Your problem is here. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option not showing. Please enable this as soon as possible. Thank you. Waiting 20 hours. Then click on the continue button. Your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.